This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG Jay, and you know who you are. Well, I'm done. I can't do any more. I'm at 165 hours, 16 days. Open houses tomorrow. That's still going on, but the trailer is not done. It's not even clean. So I was going to stay all night. I just couldn't do it. I had to lower a couple of the lights that I put in a few days ago so Jordan could paint around them. I didn't want to tape them up. I just lowered them so I could paint the ceiling. And trying to put them back up tonight, it took me about 20 minutes to just reattach the lights. I just can't do it. I feel like I failed in some way. I know I haven't failed because we're still going to sell the trailer. I'm still going to get everything done. It's just going to take longer than I thought. And I don't like that. I don't like that feeling at all. I don't like to give up. So I called the real estate guy and I told him, and he said, look, we're still going to have people coming over and taking a look. If you want, just clean up what you can and go home and relax and come back tomorrow morning before the thing, the open house if you can. I'm so tired. So I agreed to that, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll go in tomorrow morning about 6:30, 7 o'clock, and I'll just clean as much stuff out of there as I can, make it look as presentable as possible. Unfortunately, today we were so busy. I got no video. None. No video whatsoever. Except for one thing. I know I did take one video. I did, and I'm going to save that for a minute. But the funniest thing did happen today. The only time I've really had, I've had, it's been a good experience, but today I had fun. And it was almost at the expense of Jordan twice. I brought a lawnmower with me because, as you probably saw in the videos, if you watched all these videos from this trailer, when I bought the trailer, it included a tractor. Well, it's a very old tractor, hadn't been started in 5 years, didn't even know if it ran. So I brought a lawnmower to mow the lawn today, but my lawnmower wouldn't start. I worked on it for about a half an hour, couldn't get it to start, so I said, the heck with it, and I went over to Tractor Supply, bought a $40 battery, came back to the trailer and put the battery in and put some fresh gas in it, and it started. Sort of. It did start. It ran okay. Big blue puff of smoke for a while, but it actually worked. And then I got it to go into reverse, and I backed it off the little staging area there, and I got it to go forward, sort of, and then it took off. I don't know what the top speed of that tractor is. I'm going to assume it's about 15-20 miles an hour because that's the speed I was mowing the lawn. And the one time where I tried to stop it was in the middle of the road, and there was a bunch of traffic, and I was trying to get the damn thing out, just to get out of the road. Finally, it went forward. I got back on the front lawn. I had to stop again. It would only go in reverse, so I mowed part of the lawn in reverse at top speed. Don't know how. I did get it to go forward again. Then I didn't want to use the brake because I didn't want it to stop again. Well, this was the time Jordan decided to stand in the middle of the lawn. Quickly, he jumped out of the way because I said, get the hell out of the way, I'll run over you. And he did. So I didn't hit Jordan. And I would have stopped the tractor. I would not have hit him. But he had also moved his car up onto the grass a little bit too far. And when I went around the trailer and I was coming back around the shed, my friend, also my business partner, said, Jordan, you better move your car because he's going to hit it. He can't stop. So Jordan went out and he stood by the car for a couple of seconds just looking at me, And then the light went on in his head, like, oh, he's not stopping. Jordan jumped in his car. He got to go backwards. When he got out of the car, I almost hit him again. So twice I almost ran over Jordan, but I didn't. He's fine. He's never seen a crazy man on a tractor before going full speed, mowing a lawn and doing part of it backwards. But the good news is I got the lawn mowed, and it actually looks pretty damn good. As far as the tractor cutting, it cuts grass really even, really nice. Probably better than any tractor I've had so far. So that's my adventure with the tractor, and if I can get it to be a little more cooperative, I'm just going to drive it home from there because I don't have a lawnmower now. So, but that was fun. But unfortunately, nobody got any video because my partner, he was going to get some video, but that was at the same time that the tractor stopped in the middle of the road and he tried to help me. So there is no video, but we do have eyewitnesses, and the neighbors saw it, and yeah, I don't know what they think of me now. I don't know, but it was fun. It was the most fun I've had since I've been there. It was pretty good. But we've got the grounds nice and clean. It looks really good. I borrowed a weed whacker from my neighbor from across the street. Two wonderful people, Christina and Justin, I believe. I know Justin's right. I think it's Christina, but I'm not really sure. But both of them very nice people. Let me borrow their weed whacker, and I cleaned up the trailer, around the trailer pretty well. Forgot to do around the fence, but not used to having a fence. So that's where I am now. I just got home. I put in 13 hours today, so 165 hours, and I'm done. And I have no video to show you today. Hopefully I'll have some video to show you. We're still going to have the cookout too. I still invited a bunch of people, and to thank the neighbors for putting up with me. I'm going to have a cookout tomorrow. That I'm going to do. I don't care what else happens. I will do that. So if you're in the area, if you're local, stop on by, get a free burger. Why not? So anyway, that's it. And by the way, this is the only video that I shot today. My friend Kevin Belrose informed me that he and his wife watch my videos every single night, and she likes the videos, and I appreciate that. And she said to Kevin, now Kevin, you're going to get in trouble for this, for telling me, but she said to Kevin, why does he have to be so close to the camera? Kevin said, well, the studio is very small. It's very narrow, so he kind of has to. Well, he's too close to the camera. So I did this video just for you, Sandy. I don't blame you, Sandy. I wouldn't want to see my face that close up either. But here, if I do this, is that better? Ow. Oh, I just banged my knee. Anyway, that's what happened today. Wish I had more video for you. I don't. Hopefully I'll have some video tomorrow of the barbecue and maybe of the open house. I don't know. But so I'll be back. We're going to keep on doing this trailer thing, and I'm going to keep doing it till it's finished, and hopefully that's going to be very, very, very soon. And I hope you enjoy this. Oh, and by the way, can you see that? I drilled a hole in my finger. And that hurt. That hurt a lot. That's the first time I've really injured myself on this whole build. So I'm going to sit down with the dog, watch TV, and just relax for the rest of the evening and be back at it tomorrow morning. So thank you very much for coming along, and I appreciate it. And that's going to do it for me. I am the old guy, the OG, and I'm out.